Hi everyone, I'm Ari. Welcome back to my channel, and today I bring you one of the most anticipated innovations in the world of AI. Seedance 2.5. The launch is being delayed. We're all waiting for it, but exclusively, I've managed to bring you some images so you can see the video image quality it offers. I mean, it's amazing. You won't be disappointed, trust me. Let's take a look at some images so you can get a little taste and satisfy your curiosity. So I won't keep you waiting any longer. Let's roll the videos. The first 30 seconds I've seen of Seedance 2.0, and honestly, I was expecting a lot, but not all of this. It literally looks like cinema. It all seems real. If you didn't tell me this was made with AI, I would think these are completely real images. The quality is amazing, the resolution is incredible, the movement is stunning, and how natural it all looks is just unbelievable. I mean, I don't know, honestly, I'm fascinated. Let's keep watching because I have a few more videos, but I really wasn't expecting any of what I'm seeing.
I'm trying shade 11 today. Let's see how it looks up close on the lips.
Today I'm testing shade 11.
Today I'm going to try shade 11.
Today I'm going to try shade 11.
Today I'll apply shade number 11.
So for today's video, I'm actually going to be trying on this beautiful lipstick in shade number 11 to see how it looks.
So tell me honestly, don't they seem like real influencers to you? I mean, if someone showed you a full video of these girls on YouTube and you didn't tell me anything, I would totally believe it's a real person. I mean, I don't know. I don't know about you, maybe it's just me, but anyway. Even today, I think many of us still reject AI when it comes to selling us things and so on because, well, we prefer real people, but we're getting closer and closer to not being able to tell the difference. So I don't know where this is going to take us. I guess this is a dilemma for another video, for another time, but I'm starting to not see any difference between reality and the image quality that Seedance 2.5 is already offering. I'm starting to not notice it. Let's keep going with more videos, let's see what else it has to offer, but honestly, I don't think anything can surprise me more.
Time keeps ticking steadily. The absolute truth is slowly slipping away, and I can see that you are drifting further.
Since early this morning, multiple abnormal incidents have been reported across different parts of the world.
You are sleeping deeply in the dark shadows.
Stay with me. Get help. He turned into a paper cutout. Don't bend him.
Maintaining control often feels like a struggle when everything around you falls into disorder. You find yourself navigating through the heart of the chaos, feeling the pressure from every side. Yet by staying focused, you can find a path through the madness. You move steadily toward the light until you finally emerge on the other side, leaving the turbulence behind and stepping out into a sense of peace.
It appears that some higher dimensional entity is now repairing all of the anomalous phenomena that occurred today.
This individual represents the greatest threat you have ever faced, standing as the most formidable adversary you could imagine, truly becoming your ultimate and worst enemy.
Hurry, he just sent it right now. Come on, we really need to go.
This might potentially be your absolute worst enemy in this entire situation.
Well, that's it. This is all we have for now. I'm really looking forward to its release so we can all start creating and see what it's truly capable of. But I don't know. I mean, really, this last video shows us that anything that comes to mind, we can make it a reality. And not just any kind of reality, no. A reality that actually looks real. I mean, now with videos on the internet, we won't know if it's AI or not. I don't know, I'm just fascinated by it. I mean, what they have achieved with Seedance 2.5 is incredible to me. Let's hope it comes out soon. Let me know in the comments if you're also dying to try it, or if you already have a creation in mind for when it's released. And that's it. See you in the next video.
Enemy.